Hello everyone. This is my first class after your midterm examination, and today I am in front of you with a very new and fresh chapter. But this chapter is very much relevant, related with the present condition. Students, we are having a very serious and almost difficult, so difficult to survive because of COVID-19. And during this pandemic, we have seen that how we are suffering with so many difficulties in our life. And the same thing you will experience in the chapter, what I am going to start. The name of the chapter is Within the Storm in the Erasma. Actually, this chapter is about a very serious issue, geographical issue, which is known as storm, or you can say cyclone. This chapter will give you the experience that how the people face in the coastal area of India the cyclones. Cyclone comes and destroy the life, the people who live in the coastal area. And this chapter is about the destruction, the great destructions of life in Orissa. Erasma is a city of Orissa, coastal city, coastal area, where in 1999, in October 1999, a very strong cyclone hit and destroyed the basic life of the people. This chapter is about that great destruction, and in this chapter you will see that how the people had survived in that great destruction. But before that, we must know that who is the author of the chapter. This chapter is written by Harsh Mandar. Harsh Mandar is not a professional writer, but he is an activist for the street children. You know, street children, the children who has no home, who has no mother, father, that kind of children, orphan, you can say orphan. Even there is no orphanage, koi anath ghar, no orphanage has given them shelter. Then they become the street children. So this chapter is about, Harsh Mandar was, Harsh Mandar he is still alive, is an activist for street children. He is the activist for the homeless people also. If people are not having the home, they are not placed to live, then this person, Harsh Mandar, works for them. Next thing is about Harsh Mandar. Harsh Mandar is very much active for the people who are having the disaster or who are having the violence. Violence means terrorist attack or any kind of violence. He is doing lots of things. Harsh Mandar is doing lots of things for the people of different kind of survivor. Even in this chapter, you will see a character, boy Prashant, just having an age of 19-year-old. He is the hero of this chapter. He is the protagonist of this chapter. And in this chapter, you will see that how Prashant manages everything in Erasma. He was like a leader in the story. You will see that he is like a leader. He is just getting a grip over the grief. अपने दुख पर वह पकड़ बनाता है, and he just start to make better life of the strong survivor. So this is the introduction of the chapter. In my next class, I will give you the PowerPoint presentation in which you will see that how a storm works, how a storm destroys, and what kind of effect the storm left after few days. So in the next chapter, I will give you the detailed pictorial description, yes, because without pictorial descriptions, this is very difficult to understand this chapter, because this chapter has the element of geography, as well as element of life, that how the life process must go on. Okay, so this is enough for the today's class. I will meet you in my next class with my PowerPoint presentation. Okay, have a nice day, enjoy learning.